In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to send a clean, professional invitation that gets your teammates into the right place quickly. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the home view of the workspace where you want to add people. If you work in more than one workspace, glance at the top left to confirm you're in the correct one. The home view is your main landing area with channels in the sidebar and your workspace name at the very top. Next, click the name of your workspace in the top left corner. This opens a menu with administrative and account options. The label might be your company or team name. This menu is the hub for things like settings, billing, and, importantly for today, inviting new members. From that menu, choose the option that says Invite people to this workspace. Depending on your plan or version, it might simply read Invite people or Invite members. They all lead to the same invitation window where you can compose and send the invite. In the invitation window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. Use work emails if your organization prefers that. You can paste multiple addresses at once, separated by commas or spaces, and Slack will organize them for you. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced messages, and consider adding only the folks you truly need so you can keep onboarding focused and manageable. Before sending, click the Invite as Control to open the drop-down. This is where you choose the role for your invitees. Full members can join multiple channels and collaborate broadly. Guests are more limited, often single-channel or multi-channel with restrictions, useful for contractors or partners. Your available options depend on your plan and admin settings, so pick the level that matches the person's responsibilities and data access needs. When everything looks good, click Send. Slack will email each person an invitation link that guides them through creating or logging into their account and joining your workspace. You may see a confirmation that the invite was sent, and pending invites typically appear in your admin or invitation view. If you don't see the invite option, you may not have permission to add people. In that case, reach out to a workspace admin. Also remind invitees to check spam folders if they don't receive the email quickly. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in